Service in Boston has issued a special marine warning for the coastal waters east of Ipswich Bay and the Stelligan Bank National Marine Sanctuary. Ocean water from the Merrimack River to Thunderbird, 40 to 60 nautical miles offshore until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over Plum Island, moving east at 25 knots. Hazards include wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Jeffrey's Ledge, buoy 44,098, buoy 44,000, Plum Island and Ipswich Bay. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.
All right. I finished up in the bathroom at the right time. Let's see. And Holly reporting damage. Albany cancels everywhere in the watch except Berkshire County, Massachusetts, and Bennington and Windham County, Vermont. Burlington cancels Clinton and Essex, along with Addison, Chittenden, Franklin, Grand Isle, Lamoille, and Washington, and continues only Caledonia, Essex, Orleans, Orange, Rutland, and Windsor. Gray, Maine expires a severe thunderstorm warning for York County, Maine, and Rockingham and Stratford, and expires a severe thunderstorm warning for Somerset County, Maine. Continues a couple warnings as well. And then Upton canceled their watch entirely. Boston Norton canceled the watch for everywhere except Essex, Franklin, Hampton, Hampshire, Middlesex, and Worcester, and issued a special marine warning, and then just some severe thunderstorm warnings for Sterling, Virginia. I will catch you I'll see you again as more things come.